Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable Facebook notifications on your Android or iOS device. Perhaps you're having an issue with notifications not working, which means you have to turn them on, or if you're looking to enable notifications basically. In today's tutorial, I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select your user icon in the top right corner to open up the menu, and then scroll down and select the Settings and Privacy button. And then you want to select the Settings button on this page. And then go down underneath your activity and select Device Permissions. And then underneath Device Permission Info, select the notification setting in here. So you can see about how Facebook uses your notification information. You want to select the Update Settings button, and then you would select Open Device Settings, and then it would launch your device or notification settings on your Android or iOS device. Toggle it to the off position for Facebook, and then you would be good to go at that point. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.